This challenge is Inspect HTML. It's an easy level challenge from the web exploitation category from the picoCTF 2022 event. The description says, "Can you get the flag? Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance." So this is a challenge which requires you to start up a virtual machine in order to solve. So you're going to need to click on this blue button right here, labeled Launch Instance. So after clicking on that, after a couple of moments, the challenge description window is going to change, and then you're going to see this red button that says Restart Instance. So don't click on that. When you see the red button, you'll know that the instance is running, which means that we can access the web page. So now it says go to this website and see what you can discover. So we can right-click on the web page link and put this in a new tab. And then we can access the web page on the new tab. And we see that there's this article over here talking about some sort of ancient history. So in order to solve this challenge, all we need to do is inspect the HTML, just like it says in the challenge title. So to do that, we can right-click and select View Page Source from the menu, or we can use the Control-U keyboard shortcut. So let's try the Control-U keyboard shortcut. Okay. So we see the article over here inside the HTML code, but additionally, we also see a flag over here, which is inside some HTML comments. So all we need to do is copy the flag. It starts at pico and it ends with the closing squiggly bracket over here. And then right-click, copy, go back to the challenge page. And at the bottom of the challenge page, there's going to be a flag submission field over here. Paste in the flag, then click on the blue Submit Flag button. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.